Assalamu alaikum, grade 1, and good afternoon to all of you. How are you all doing? Great? That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Welcome to your computing class. In today's class, we will discuss something very interesting. Why it is interesting? Because so far we have learned that what internet is, how we can work on internet, what is a web page, what is a hyperlink, right? Or how we can search wisely, let's say, or what are the key terms that we are supposed to use when we are searching for something. Now beside learning this all, that how we can work on internet, something which is very important is, let's say, if something is worrying you on internet, let's say you are working on internet, if something is troubling you, how you can overcome that trouble. Okay, so this is very interesting topic, right? Okay, so let's start with the reading of your book, page number 30. Open your book, page number 30, topic number 2.5. It is, are you feeling worries? Okay, now what we will be covering in this lesson, that what you are supposed to do if you feel worry while using internet, right? Okay, now they explain this topic in this way, that these children are doing a project on rainforest animal. The two children are sitting in front of the laptop, and they are doing a project on rainforest animal. The children have clicked on a hyperlink, and they found a hyperlink over there. Remember, we discussed a hyperlink in yesterday's class. What was that? It can be a text, it can be an image, it can be a video, it can be a link, right? So they click on that, and they have seen some pictures of animals losing their homes. And suddenly a picture has been opened in front of us, in which there is some fire in a forest, and the animals are losing their home. Now the two children who were sitting in front of the screen, they are feeling worried about the animals, that they will lose their home, and they want to help them out in a way, right? So now what will they do? Or if something is the same happens to you, what you will be doing, or what are the things that you should do, right? So the answer to this question is, there are two ways through which you can get the solution of it. The first one is at your home, and the second one is on internet. Now what you can do at your home, that there should be somebody in your life that is more trustable to you, right? With which you can share everything. Let's say with your mother, if you are working in your school, let's say in computer lab, and you find something like that, so you can tell this to your teacher, that ma'am, I have seen something bad or something sad on internet, right? So that your teacher can help you. That if you are at your home, you can tell your parents, so that they can help you. You can tell your elder siblings, so that they can help you, right? So there should be somebody to whom you can tell this, or whom you can share this. Always there is somebody in your family to whom you trust the most, and you share all of your secrets and personal things with that, right? So you can share this with that person as well, and most of the time they are your parents. Am I right? Okay, the second method is on internet. There are some special sites on internet on which you can report. But because if you know we will not be practicing that, because it's not easy for you to learn that. These are some not at your level work, because you are in grade 1. So I'll be just telling you that yes, there are some websites, there are such websites on internet which help us to report about anything. Let's say if you saw something which is illegal, which is bad, which is hurting somebody, which is worrying you, so you can, yes, you can report about it on internet, right? And they do take action about it. But the best solution for you at your age is that you can tell your parents, your siblings, your teacher, that something is worrying you, that you have seen on internet. Got it? Okay. Now there are some websites. Let's say you are working on a web page, in which on web some web pages they gave you the option to report. So if you click on that report button, they directly take you to the report area, and there you can type whatever the report is. Now report means that you basically want to tell them the situation, or you want to complain about that thing, right? So they will directly solve it down. So but as I have told you that at your age, we will not be learning how to report on internet, right? So but what is important for you is that if you find something like this on internet, you just tell somebody, right? Somebody which is elder than you. Now, there is this small activity for you that you will be doing, that you are supposed to make a poster to tell other children what to do if they are worried about something they seen on a web page, right? If somebody is worried, you are supposed to tell. Now how you can make a poster, you can make a screen on that, make something which is worrying that children should be sit in front of that on a chair, right? Like a computer table and a chair, children is sitting and he is watching something, right? Then make beside that do that thing, that make two portions in that page, that was that child room, and then make a kitchen on the second side, and that the mother is working, and then he will go to the mother, and then he will report whatever he has seen to his mother so that she can help him out, right? So you are supposed to, well, that was just an idea, random idea. You can take any idea from anywhere and you are supposed to make this poster. Before ending the class, you are supposed to make a list of the people whom you trust at your home. Hurry up. You are supposed to make a list and remember them if you get something like this on internet or anywhere else, right? If you want to share something. Got it? So make a list and tell me how many of you, how many people are there to whom you trust the most. Yes. Yes, Sarah. Three. Okay. Yes, Ali. Two. Okay. Yes, Elise. Again, three. Excellent. Okay. So do tell them if you ever, and do tell me as well if you ever find something on internet, because you are working on internet now. So do let me know if you find anything which is worrying you or which makes you sad, right? So do you guys enjoy the topic? Excellent. So that was all for today. I'll be seeing you in the next class. In tomorrow's class, we'll be doing some practical work. Sorry. Share this video with others. Do good and have good. Take care. Allah Hafiz.